Hey everyone, this is me again. So I have the good news. I fixed it. I really fixed it. The IRS infrared sensor problem that this Yuneec Breeze 4K was having, I fixed it. Damn, it took me long time. If you guys have watched my previous videos, I had told you guys not to solder these uh, wires because it's almost impossible to do it. Look all the mess I made. But look at the screen, it just got connected and look, it's turning green. I mean, not green, excuse me, that's more like blue. I'm losing my mind. But look, it turned yellow, but it was turned. But anyways, it was what, red with exclamation mark sign on it, and earlier. So this is a progress. So it's gonna turn blue. I'm pretty sure this is still a good sign. So what I did, look, it turned to, so it's fluctuating, in between yellow and blue. But we still have some connection problem, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna work. Right now it's blue, but if you guys can take a closer look, after that connecting the wire didn't work out, what I did is, look over here, if you guys could see, look, I burned all this plate, the mount, some kind of sensor mount. I burned it while trying to solder it, but see, that's what I burned. But if you guys take a closer look, right underneath this, look, all these extra silver kind of metal you see, that's the solder that I filled with each connectors. I connected solder, I filled these 4 points with solder and opposite connecting points with solder also. Then I placed this sensor board on top of it, and then I screwed it, and it worked. So let's see if I can take it out to fly. I'm kind of hesitant to take it out and fly, but at least the problem we're having here, so this is the mode we have right now here, that means it's working properly. It's not red anymore. So guys, if you guys are having the same problem about this IRS error with Yuneec 4K drone, what my recommendation is, do not try to connect the wires. Do not do this, because this is just gonna cause you a lot of headache. But if you try to fill it, the both side of connectors for the board and the drone body itself, right underneath this, if you try to fill it up with some kind of solder, and make it as sort of plain as possible, don't make too much of a mess, it works. Look, it's working here. Damn. I'll try to post a video after I take it out to fly. But let's see if I put the cover back on, how does it react. So I have the cover here, so let's try to put it back. Oops, I hear some kind of noise, but there you go. Oh, that turned. Oh, good. I'm just gonna do the flight test right inside my room, which probably is not recommended, but no, we can see it still has some kind of connection problem, but I'm gonna try it. What the heck, right? I almost threw this drone in the garbage anyways, so let's try to fly it. Okay, let's see. Okay, ready to fly. It's pilot mode. Proceed. Do you think it's going to take off? Let's hope so. All I want to see is these propellers turning. That's all I wanted to see. Damn, it did. It did. Okay. Motor stall. Number 4, one or more motors have stalled. Make sure the propellers don't have any obstructions. Okay. Okay. So whatever problem it has, it has something else going on.